where you can look up murder mystery invitations if you want. The plus means you have to pay for them, the rest are free. Choose one, you add all the information you need, the date, the title, time, your name, phone number there, and then the location of the event. Some sample stuff here for you to do it really quickly. Once you fill in all your information and you give your message here to your guests, you can click continue, and then you can kind of edit color schemes, placement, all that kind of stuff. Now you can add in your guests one at a time or import them if you need to from your phone as well, and kind of check everything over, send now, and after you send it, you'll be able to see everyone you sent it to. If you click on the person, then it's going to give you some information about that person, like when it was sent, if they viewed it, if it was not open. It keeps track of your RSVPs. You can message individual guests if you would like to, which is really great for murder mystery character details. So I hope you will consider using this. I've really enjoyed using it. It's kept things really easy for me, and I can go back and also reuse invitations if I liked them. You can look for different themes. It's just a really simple, free tool.